Greetings and welcome to a quick video on YouAttest and auditing Google. YouAttest is a cloud-based user access review product, and Google and G Suite, of course, is one of the leading email and identity stores for enterprises, big and small. First, let me introduce Kashif, YouAttest Director of Deployments and Integrations. He'll be running the demo.
Hi, Garrett.
Greetings. Okay, first the setup. As I said, many organizations from private to public companies and schools use Google and G Suite. Many of these organizations are under some sort of regulation, e.g. SOX for public companies, HIPAA for anyone holding PHI, public healthcare information, including schools, and now everyone who is running to get CMMC 800-171 compliant. All of these guidances and the others, most of them require user access reviews. That is, they must have evidence in the report that says they have reviewed the users and the privileges who have access to the data. Okay, with all this work, enterprises need some way to automate these reviews, and that solution is YouAttest. So in this video, Kashif is going to do the demo. Kashif has already exported the Google group and has uploaded this to YouAttest, that's our council, to review these rights. Kashif will be playing risk manager, but remember, the risk manager in a real review cannot certify or revoke. That will be my role. I'll play the reviewer. Take it away, Kashif.
Great, thanks, Garrett. So as Garrett mentioned, we have already uploaded the information in form of a CSV, and here is our audit for that Google group, Google User Admin Group Audit. Once we go in there, we see all the users that have access to that group, including their email. And now, since we don't have the managers here by default, while exporting the file to YouAttest, we are going to do the manual delegation, let's say, to the group owner, and let him know that the risk manager has assigned something to him to review. And here we go. We just put in the email ID of that group owner, and it will let us assign it to him momentarily and get it as a reviewer, or the group owner is going to see a message in his email. And let's see, Garrett, what you have, and it's over to you.
Wow, rock and roll. Okay, so now to show that I'm a different user and not to waste time switching screens, I'm going to bring up Firefox, a different browser. There we go. Okay, look what I got here. I've got, of course, an email. We chose for this demo, we're using email. This could even been a Slack. It says, dear user, Google User Admin Group Audit. I click this here, okay? What's relevant is that email, that's a template straight out from our product, okay? That can be modified by Kashif, the risk manager, any way he wants, okay? He could have said straight out, I want you to do this, I really mean it, blah, blah, blah. He can put whatever wording, he can put his logo, but most importantly, it's automated. We build you the template and you write it and modify it or don't modify it, but schedule it as often as you want. Look what I've got. So this is beautiful. I'm a reviewer, I don't have a lot of time. You know how these processes are, you guys that do the UARs out there. It's a pain to get these people to do it. Okay, everything's automated there, okay? I can go through each individual ones, right? I can even redelegate. I can say, I don't know anything about Ali. I push it down to Bob. Bob goes review. I don't know anything about Ashley. Julia will go review that one, right? And I can go individually on these. And I can also do something really powerful. I can put comments on them, okay? Make a comment on this one. I can get more details. And I could also revoke these ones. Let's see, I'm gonna revoke this one, okay? And then a little button comes up top and says, rock and roll. Let's revoke this one, okay? Now that goes in a report that I said to revoke. Now, everyone else I've already checked is good. The product is all about simplicity and automating this. Go in there, uncheck that guy, and go rock and roll. Let's certify, okay? I'm done. I've done my review, okay? This product
Yeah.
is done ones where we've done 29 countries and 1,900 reviewers, and we've done 100 users, but it's all about making the whole process simple. All right, Kashif, take it away, and then I'll wrap it up.
And now I, as a risk manager, I'll just have to refresh my screen here, my console, and see what's been done. And see the reviewer has completed the task. I see 100% progress under the status. Now I'm good. I just have to go back to my completed audit and get the report out. So download that report in a CSV format or in a PDF and show it as an evidence to
That's
the
the
auditor.
evidence.
So that's it.
You killed it as always, Kashif, and that's what we do. And that literally, team Kashif have been nailing these installs. It just literally under an hour will get you up and going. All right, that's enough of us talking, Kashif. So, world out there, write us at info@youattest, info@youattest.com, and we'll help you out with your audits, including your Google identities. And don't forget, this Wednesday, February 15th, we have a webinar on securing identities in the cloud. All the best.